What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Super excited you made it here today. Today we are doing this really beautiful turquoise sequin cool tone situation. I'm so bad at naming looks. I don't really know what this look is. It's not really a smoky eye, but it kind of is. Not really a cut crease, but it kind of is. It's just whatever this is. It's a lot of glitter, which is where I'm at. And it's super easy. It's easier than you think it is, I promise. And if you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. All right, let's get started. It's got a lot going on today. Okay. We're going to kick it off with the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar palette. I'm just going to spread this color Pillow Fight all over my lid with a Sigma E60 brush. It's got a tiny bit of shimmer in it, so it's just enough to make the colors blend easily over top. Usually I don't set my shadow, but because we're not necessarily looking for like bright pops of color, I'm going to set it just so it's easier to blend. Next, I'm going to take a Sigma E40 brush and the shade Hide and Seek. I'm going to start putting that in my crease. My highlight is just killing it. Now we're going to start getting a little bit darker here. So we're going to go in with this shade Flip Out with just a NYX shadow brush, shader brush. Now, almost all of the darkness exclusively to be on this outer corner. And that's patchy. I promise things always start out a little rough and then end up pulling together, so please stick around. Okay, and then I'm going to pull from the color Swoop here at the bottom, just with the same brush. I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush and just soften the edges here. I didn't put anything on this brush, just blending what's already there. Could just leave it like this, or you could add a whole crap ton of glitter. So that's what we're gonna do. So next I have a 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Deep End and the Urban Decay Shadow That Matches in Deep End. So I have these two colors and we are going to be putting them on our inner corner. So I'm going to start and just sketch the shape that I want with this pencil, and then I'm going to tap that shadow over top of it. Kind of like you would a cut crease, just sketch out the shape that you want. I want it to be a very round shape right here. And filling this in doesn't need to be perfect because we are going to tap over top of it with that shadow. That'll fill in any gaps. Just get a sticky base down. I'm just going to grab a flat brush from Alimar Cosmetics, dip into this blue, and pat it over top of the blue that we just put down. Just going to intensify that metallic shine, fill in any gaps, and this brush has a sharp edge so that I can clean up any edges along the way. Okay, so now we have this really pretty circular teardrop kind of shape on our eye, and we are going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Loose Glitter in the shade Shamrock, but it's really a teal, pretty teal color. And I have my Lit Cosmetics Clearly Liquid Glitter Base, and just a little brush, and we're going to pat it on. Oh, so pretty. That's perfect. So beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, and I'm just gonna add this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil to my waterline too. That is so lovely. I love how the glitter turned out. Okay, so now we're going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette Rio edition because they have this really stunning white shadow, shimmery shadow with blue reflex in it, and I feel like it'll just really add something special like right here. So I'm just gonna spray my little brush a little bit with setting spray just to dampen it up. And then I'm gonna dip into this blue shimmer situation. Well, that's exactly everything I wanted. That is beautiful. I'm gonna put that under my brow bone as well.
I kind of feel like an ethereal goddess, so I'm doing pretty good. I'm actually going to spray my face now with my Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. Give that a time to really sink in. And now we're going to throw lashes. Now we're going to throw lashes on. So for lashes, I'm going to be using my Smoke and Fire Esquito lashes. They're just really pretty and fluffy and dark. And I'm going to go ahead and put those on, pop back on. We're going to do lipstick and wrap this situation up. Okay, time for lips now that we have our mascara and lashes on. So I'm going to be using 2 lip products today. My first one is the Sephora Cream Lip Stain in 33. So pretty. So we're going to wait for that to dry, and then over top of it we're going to do the Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss in Flat White, which is pretty much become my holy grail nude lip gloss. It's so beautiful. It looks so nice over matte lip stains, and it's right up there with my Dose of Colors in Can You Not, but the Dose of Colors lip gloss is just a tiny bit warmer. This is just a little bit cooler, and since we have cooler tones on our eyes, I thought it would be better than the Dose of Colors one. So that is perfect. Okay. Well, guys, this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look and you learned something new and cool today. I am so excited that it's turning into fall now and that I can start playing with my darker browns and really pretty iridescent colors because I love them for fall. So hopefully you guys want to stick around for that. If you do, please hit that subscribe button and turn that notification on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment below, and I will definitely be sure to get back to you guys. Alright everybody, have an awesome rest of your week or weekend, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys!